Hello everyone. So this is a DIY wall mount puja ghar, which I was building some time back, and this is completed now. I just wanted to go through the plan once. So this is I mean the shape you are already like able to see, and there is a small door in the upper part as the cursor says, and there is a small hinge there, so the door can be opened and closed, and the entire triangle shape storage is available for usage actually. So you can store your like the oil or cotton, whatever, right? All diya, all those stuffs you can store it there. And the dimension wise, this is not a very big one. This is the perspective view of the cabinet, and that hinge is visible in this particular diagram. I'm also trying to point it using the cursor. Hey cursor. And now it's clear that the depth of this cabinet is very less, around 150 I would say. That means 15 centimeter, half a foot, right? Now because the depth is less and it is mounted in the living area, so you'll not feel like it is consuming any space in the wall, okay? And there is no risk of hitting it while passing by. And this is the look after wall mounted. So um, you can see it is already like in a proper shape, the top a triangle, right? So I have used the hardwood pieces in the edge. And if you see this picture, this is the front view of the same, and next picture will be okay. So this is with the doors, right? As you can see, the base of the cabinet is white. The top portion of the cabinet I have given Asian paint, white enamel, and the top door also is given white color, but it is not perfect yet. And the door, the main door, it is a 16, or it's a 16 ply, and 1 laminate has been fitted, and edge beading, it's just a matching color. I found it in the nearby shop. Okay, so it came out quite good, and it's very useful now.